Okay, guys, today for math, we are going to do some of the same kind of stuff, but we are going to roll the dice to find out what our missing number is. Do you see right here? We have a missing number. My pen doesn't want to work. Missing numbers that we've got to find out. So we're going to roll the dice. So you're going to need to get a dice. So push pause on this video and go get a dice. If you don't have one, then you can use the numbers that I roll and write them in. You can't see me roll the dice, but I will roll it. Maybe you can hear me roll it, and I'll tell you what number I rolled. I rolled a 1. So if you're rolling your own dice, you can roll it and write the number down that you rolled. If you don't have a dice, you can write down the number 1. So then we're going to add 52 plus 1. Do you remember all of the ways we've learned that we can do this? We can pound. We can hold on to 52 and count up 1. So that would be 52, 53. Or we can look at our smallest number and draw a dot. So then we would say 52, 53. Or you can remember that we can draw a fence. And you don't have to draw a fence. If you're used to just adding straight down the ones first, so 2 1s plus 1 1 is 3, and then bringing the tens, you can do it without drawing the fence, whichever way you like. So that is 53. Okay, we'll go on to our next one. 40 plus something. I'm going to roll the dice. Oh, I got a 6. Go ahead and roll your own dice if you have one. 6. So I'm going to pound 40 plus 6. So I'm going to hold on to 40 and pound it and then count up 6 fingers. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So I'm just going to write 46. Okay, go ahead, roll your dice, get a new number. Oh, I got 6 again. So I'm going to write a 6. This time I'm going to draw dots. So I've got 6 here. I'm going to draw 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to say my biggest number, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So I've got 9 1s and 3 10s, 39. Okay, roll your dice, get another number. I rolled a 3. What did you roll? Write it down. If you don't have a dice, then write down a 3. Okay, I am just going to add, and I'll draw a fence one more time. After this, I probably won't draw a fence. Here's my 10s. I've got 2 10s and 3 10s. So I can draw 2 dots and 3 dots if I don't know what 2 plus 3 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my 8 just comes down. There's nothing there to add it to. 85. Okay, next row. You doing good? Go ahead and roll your dice. I got a 5. What did you get? If you don't have a dice, then write a 5. Okay, I'm just going to add. I'm not going to draw a fence. I'm just going to add. 1 plus 5 1s is 6. There's my 1s. Notice how they all go straight down in a straight line. And then my 2, there's nothing below it, so I can just bring it down. 26. I'm going to roll my dice. Oh, a 6 again. My dice likes 6. What did your dice get this time? And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just going to add. Again, 0 1s plus 6 1s. I'm just going to go in a straight line and make sure I write my answer right below. 0 1s plus 6 1s is 6 1s. And then my 5, there's nothing below it, no more 10s, so my 5 just can come straight down. 56. 50 plus 6 is 56. Okay, next one. 72 plus 4. 72 plus 4. Do you know what to do? Are you going to pound? Are you going to do dots? Or are you just going to add? My favorite way to do it is just to add, but you can choose. I'm just going to add 2 1s plus 4 1s. 4, 5, 6 is 6 1s. Notice that my 1s are all in a line. Make sure that you write your ones all in a line. Even the answer is right below your 1s column. And then my tens column, nothing to add it to, so I just bring it down. 76. Okay, let's roll our dice again. Oh my goodness, I got a 6 again. I think I better check my dice. Okay, so we're going to add 2 ones plus 6 ones is, I'm going to always choose the biggest number first. 6, 7, 8. Because when I add, I can choose the biggest number first, and I still get the right answer. Notice again, my ones are all in a row. All of my ones are in a row. And my 4 in my tens column doesn't have anything below it, so I can just write a 4. 48. Okay, one more row. Roll your dice. I got a 3. Write it down if you don't have a dice. If you've got a dice, what number did you get? And then I'm going to add 0 ones and 3 ones is 3 ones. My tens doesn't have anything. It can slide right down to 63. If there were a number right here, I would add it to my 6 tens, but there's not. So that 6 can just slide right down. Okay, roll your dice. I got 3 again. Okay, if you were going to pound this, you would hold on to that 32 and count up 3 more. 32, 33, 34, 35. If you were going to do dots, you would look at your small number and draw 3 dots, and then say your big number, 32, 33, 34, 35. If you're just adding 2 ones plus 3 ones is 5 ones, and your tens can just come straight down, 35. All of those answers, did you notice? All of the answers said 35. And one last roll of our dice. A 5. Go ahead and do this problem any way you like. I am just going to add 3 and 5. I know is 8, or I could start with 5 and count up 3. My 8 is just going to slide straight down, and I have an 88. Okay, if you want to do more math, you can always go to the I Know It website that I told parents about, that you could get onto and practice more math. It's in the announcements part of your Canvas page. So go to announcements, and there's a little thing about the I Know It math website to give you more practice. Have a great day.